Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the top cordless drill driver kits. These are the most commonly found power tool in any workshop, garage or construction site. It's a versatile battery powered tool that's equipped with a clutch allowing you to drill holes, drive fasteners, nuts or tighten bolts. We ranked cordless drill driver kits on a number of different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. You can find the list of products in the description down below. Why not stick around to the end to see who hits the #1 spot in our review. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. The cordless driver drill kit coming in at number 5 is the Makita XFD131 18V LXT kit. This is a very compact and ergonomic design that's only 6.5 by 8 inches and weighing only 3.8 pounds. It reduces operator fatigue and is powered by an 18V lithium ion side battery. A rubberized soft grip handle allows you more comfort when on the job, plus there are 2 manual speed transmission for a wide range of drilling and fastening applications. The Makita XFD131 driver drill kit has a BL brushless motor to optimize battery energy and LED lights to light up the work area. Number 4 on our list is the Craftsman V20 cordless drill driver kit. This 20V drill driver has a keyless 1/2 inch chuck to fit a wide variety of drill bits so that you can use it for a range of different applications. The motor is a high performance and produces 280 watts, plus the 2-speed gearbox allows for quick, easy fastening. The Craftsman CDC771C2 cordless driver drill set includes a 20V max lithium battery for ample runtime and great performance. The cordless drill and driver kit coming in at number 3 is the Avid Power MW316. This 20V lithium ion battery drill is perfect for tasks around the garage or workshop as its compact and lightweight design weighs just 2.5 pounds, plus it has a handy USB port so you can charge your phone. It comes with a variable speed trigger to work through various materials with ease. The forward reverse switch is also really convenient, plus there is an electric brake function. The Avid Power MW316 cordless drill driver has an ergonomically designed comfortable rubber handle for maximum control and an LED light for all those dark places you may need to work in. Number 2 is the BLACK+DECKER Power Reconnect drill driver LD120VA. This versatile drill driver kit includes 30 accessories like nut drivers, screw driving bits and brad point drill bits, so you can use these on a wide variety of materials. The 24 position clutch helps you control and avoid overdriving or stripping screws, plus the soft grip handle provides comfort from the start to the end of the project. The BLACK+DECKER LD120VA drill driver is a lightweight and compact design, plus the 20V interchangeable battery means you can use it with other tools. Finally, at number 1, the cordless drill driver kit that we recommend is the DeWalt DCD771C2 compact 20V kit. This cordless drill kit has a 1/2 inch drill driver and 2 lithium ion 20V max batteries, so it can tackle a wide range of applications as it delivers 300 unit watts of power. It's designed to be lightweight and compact with an ergonomic handle, so it's great for working in tight spaces or for long periods of time. The DeWalt DCD771C2 drill driver kit has 2 speed variations and can run between 450 and 1500 RPM, so you can choose the level of performance required for each job to be done. So that's it, the top 5 cordless drill driver kits which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful power tool tips, do drop it in the comment section below. If you thought this video was useful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you in your projects again soon. Good luck.